Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your maths class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your maths class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know that we were doing exercise 6.6 in which we have done the topic that is finding the estimated quotient and framing word problems. Okay, so this was the topic that we had done in the last session, and we have completed with the exercise 6.6 as well. So in today's session I am going to start with another topic from the same chapter number 6, that is problems on fundamental operation. So problems on 4 fundamental operations. So this is the topic that I am going to start in today's session. So first of all, I am just writing the topic here, that is chapter number 6. The topic is division. Okay, so we are doing chapter number 6. The topic is division, and in this topic we are going to discuss a subtopic, that is problems on 4 fundamental operations. Problems on 4 fundamental operations. This is the topic that we will discuss in the today's session. So what are the 4 fundamental operations of math? Okay, what are the 4 fundamentals operation? तो हमारे 4 fundamental operations कौन कौन से हैं बेटा? That is addition. So the 4 fundamental operations are addition. After that we are having the subtraction. Okay, and then multiplication, the 4th one is division. Okay, that is division. So these are the 4 fundamental operations of mathematics. So whole concept of maths depends upon these 4 fundamental operations. तो हमारी पूरा का पूरा जो मैथ्स का कॉन्सेप्ट है ये इन्हीं 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है. ओके, एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन. ओके, सो देखिए बेटा, हम नाउ वी हैव प्रॉब्लम्स ऑन 4 फंडामेंटल ऑपरेशंस. So these are the 4 fundamental operations. But suppose a sum is given to you in which you have to use all these 4 fundamental operations. Suppose आपको एक sum दिया गया है and आपको उस sum में चारों के चारों fundamental operations, addition, multiplication, division, subtraction सब use करना है. So how you are going to use that? आप इसको use कैसे करोगे? So there is a certain rule of BODMAS that we follow. So if we have to do some simplification by using these 4 fundamental operations. Okay, so we use a क्या बोलेंगे हम इसको, we use a rule, that is a rule of BODMAS. Okay, so I'll just give an example. Suppose if I ask you that what's your daily routine, what will you say? Okay, so before corona or after corona अलग अलग होगा obviously. But if I talk about the daily routine of yours, so you would say, ma'am, I get up 5:30 in the morning, then I go to washroom, I get fresh, I take milk or tea if you take, okay. Then you will get ready for the yoga. You will not take yet. Before yoga, you can't take anything. So you just get ready, okay, for the yoga. Okay, first of all, you get up in the morning, then you go and fresh. Okay, you go to washroom. Okay, and then you get fresh. Okay, you may brush your teeth. After that you get ready for the yoga class, and after yoga class after 6:30 you take a bath. Okay, then you will have your breakfast, and if there's a time then you can watch a video, and then after that 8 o'clock onwards you are going to continue with your classes, online classes, and in the evening you will play, you will watch online videos to complete your work. So this is your daily routine. Okay, तो आप पहले उठते हो, टर्न बाई टर्न आपने बताया ये करते हो, बट वैसे ही बेटा देयर आर these 4 operations, these 4 fundamental operations of maths are also used in a, इसको भी प्रॉपर यूज़ किया जाता है ना सीरीज. Okay, so also these all 4 fundaments of mathematics, they are also used in a proper way. So that means, first of all, which of the fundamental is applied. ओके, इन चारों एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन में सबसे पहले कौन सा फंडामेंटल हम अप्लाई करते हैं, दैट वी विल केम टू नो बाय यूजिंग द रूल ऑफ बोर्डमास. अभी एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन को हम यूज़ कैसे करते हैं. सो देयर इज ऑल्सो अ सर्टेन रूल फॉर इट. सो हाउ यू आर एंड व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू यूज़ इट. ओके, सो फॉर दिस ये द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट इज बोर्डमास. आपको जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ जो याद रखनी है दैट इज boardmass. So I'm just explaining about the boardmass now. This is the most basic. Okay, so this is the basic and the most important term that we use in mathematics. That is boardmass. Okay, so यहाँ पे boardmass का each and every alphabet has a different meaning. Each and every alphabet in the boardmass they have different meaning. B means bracket. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, D means division, M means multiplication, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. So this is the complete meaning of all the alphabets that are used in the boardmass. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M means multiplication, A means addition, and S means subtraction. But these two, देखिए division and multiplication, addition, subtraction तो आपको पता है. Now what about this bracket and off? So this is still not in your syllabus. Okay, so this is still not in your syllabus. So in spite of using the boardmass rule, we will use the rule of DMAS. So हम कौन सा rule use करेंगे? We will use the rule of DMAS. Okay, so that is division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So suppose if the sum is given. Okay, suppose I'm just giving you with the help of an example. Suppose the number is 243 plus 150. Multiply 2 divided by 2. Suppose this is the number. तो आप देखिए इसमें क्या है, there is okay और -21. Okay, so this is the sum is given. Okay, and it is being said that you have to solve it. Okay, आपको ये सम दिया गया और बोला गया कि आपको इसको सॉल्व करना है. So how you are going to solve it? देखिए इसमें you can see the plus is there, multiplication is also there, division is there, and subtraction is also there. So all the 4 fundamental operations of mathematics are being used here: addition, multiplication, division, and subtraction. But again, how we are going to solve it? So for solving this, we will follow the rule of DMAS. We will follow the rule of DMAS. Now what is DMAS? So first सबसे पहले कोई भी सम दिया हो बेटा, so first of all you are going to use D. That means division. कोई भी सम दिया हो, first of all you will do the division. That is 243 plus 150 multiply. तो division में हमारे पास ये 2 numbers हैं. So first of all we are going to divide. So 2 divided by 2, that is 1 minus 21. Okay. The D का division का D use होता है. Then after D we will use M. M means multiplication. इसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे? Multiplication. That means we will multiply these two. That is 243 plus 150 multiplied by 1. This is 150 minus 21. Okay, division किया, then we multiplication. Next is addition. Next is addition. Now we are going to add 243 and 150. So that is 393. इन दोनों को हमने ऐड किया, okay, because the next is a addition. So we will add these two, that is 393 minus 21. Last is s, that is subtraction. So we will subtract it. So 393 minus 21. This is 2, this is 7, this is 3. So the answer is 372. So this will be your answer, that is 372. So देखिए, this is the main use that how you are going to use the board mass, या D mass rule. Okay, so this is called this is the rule that we use while doing the simplification. तो simplification करते हुए आपको यही सारे rules है जो follow करने हैं. Okay, so you have to use this rule, that is of the D mass, to do the simplification. Okay, so in exercise, the next exercise, the exercise 6.7, certain sums of simplification is there and we have to solve it by using this D mass rule. Okay, तो बस ये चीज़ याद रखिएगा. First we will do the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So let's do exercise, sums from the exercise 6.7. Okay, so now I'm starting with the exercise 6.7. Okay, the exercise is 6.7. The exercise is 6.7. So the sum is simplify. The question is simplify. Sum is simplify. Sum number 1 is 30,983 minus 17,803 minus 26,351 plus 31,370. Okay, so the question is 30,983 minus 17,803 minus 26,351 plus 31,370. Okay, so now we have to use it, we have to solve this by using the simplification, that is D mass. Okay, by using the D mass. Okay, तो देखिए यहाँ पे 17,800 दी गई, माइनस का साइन है, so that means this is of subtraction. 2,635 के आगे भी माइनस का साइन है, so this is also of subtraction. 26,351, not 2,000, 26,351 के भी आगे minus का sign, that is also of subtraction, and after that plus 31,370. So देखिए, according to the D mass rule, the first of all we have to do the division. So D mass के rule के according, बेटा, what is the rule of the D mass? First of all you have to do the division. So the division, so we don't have any number that we have to divide, so division is not here, so definitely जब डिवीजन है ही नहीं तो हम कहाँ से करेंगे, सो वी विल जस्ट लीव इट. आफ्टर दैट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, सो कैन यू सी साइन ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन हियर? नो. सो मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज ऑल्सो नॉट हियर, सो वी विल लीव द मल्टीप्लिकेशन एज वेल. नेक्स्ट इज ए. ए मीन्स एडिशन. ए मीन्स एडिशन. सो लेट्स डू द एडिशन नाउ. ओके, सो एज यू कैन सी देयर एडिशन ऑल्सो. ओके, एडिशन के लिए देखिए बेटा, व्हाट वी डू इज, we first of all we add the numbers that are with the same साइन, तो जो सेम साइन के नंबर्स होते हैं उनको हम ऐड करेंगे. सो 17,803 इज ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन. 26,351 के आगे भी सब्ट्रैक्शन है, बट 31,370 के आगे भी हैव अ प्लस साइन. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज ऑफ एडिशन. Whereas 30,983 इसके आगे कोई भी साइन नहीं है. सो व्हाट इट मीन्स, जब किसी भी नंबर के आगे कोई भी साइन नहीं होता, सो वी टर्म इट एज अ नंबर ऑफ a positive number, a number for addition. Okay, so that means this 30,983 we will plus it with another additional number, so add a positive number, that is 31,307. सबसे पहले हम जो सेम साइन के जो नंबर्स हैं हम उनको ऐड करेंगे. so that means we will add this and this. Okay, so let's add 3 minus 0, 3, sorry not 0, it's not subtraction, it's addition. 3 plus 0, 3, 8 plus 7, 15, 9 plus 3, 12, plus 1, 13, 0 plus 1, 1 plus 1, this is 2, 3 plus 3, 6. The number is 62,353. So after adding these two, we got 62,353. 62,353. Now subtract the other two numbers. तब हमारे ये दोनों सॉल्व हो गए. So we will move to these two. इनको हम as it is नीचे उतारेंगे. That is 17,803 minus 26,351. Okay. So after addition, the next is of S. That means subtraction. So now we will do the subtraction. तो देखिए यहाँ पे दो numbers है subtraction के. So we will subtract it turn by turn. Okay. चाहो तो आप इन दोनों को ऐड करके फिर इसमें subtract कर सकते हो. But we are following the DMAS rule, so we will do the subtraction turn by turn. So 62,353 minus 17,803. इसी करके माइनस कर लीजिए. देखिए I have shown the calculation as well. आप देख सकते हो here I have shown the calculation. So you all are also going to show the calculation in your notebook. आप भी अपनी notebook में calculation show करेंगे. Okay? So some minus 17,803 62,353 minus 17,803. So let's subtract it. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 8, not possible. 3 will borrow from here. This will become 1 and this will become 13. 13 minus 8, that is 5. 1 minus 7, not possible. So 1 is going to borrow from here. This will become 5. This will become 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So after subtracting 17,803 from 62,353, we got 44,550. 44,550. So we have done this as well. Now we will subtract this one, that is 26,351. So now we will subtract 26,351 from 44,550. So let's subtract 26,351. Okay, so this is 0 minus 1, not possible. It will borrow from here. This will become 4. This will become 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Now 4 minus 5, not possible. So 4 will borrow from here. This will become 4 and this will become 14. 14 minus 5, 9. Next 4. 4 minus 3, become 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 3 minus 2, 1. So the answer is 18,000. After subtraction we got 18,199. 18,199. So this is the answer. So that we will write down separately as well. So answer is equal to 18,199. ओके आपको बेटा रफ में जैसे मैंने वहाँ पे शो किया है, सिमिलरली यू हैव टू शो इट इन द रफ एज वेल. ओके, तो आपको रफ में शो करते हुए यू हैव टू शो द कंप्लीट कैलकुलेशन. ओके क्लास, सो दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 6.7. Okay, so you can pause your videos and note it down in your notebooks. Chalo, moving next to the sum number 2. Now we will move to the next question, that is question number 2. Okay. Chalo, question number 2 is 570 minus 320 divided by 10. 570 minus 320 divided by 10. Okay, divided by 10. Now we have question number 2 in which we have to subtract 320 from 570 and divide by 10. So how we are going to do it? देखिए this is also simplifying. So okay, so देखिए जो भी simplification के सम होते हैं नॉर्मल कोई भी सम होगा. Okay, so you have to follow the BODMAS rule or the DMAS rule. So again we will apply this DMAS here in this. So D means division. According to DMAS rule, the first is division. So can you see any division here? Yes. So this is the division. That means first of all we have to divide these two. Okay. So first of all we will divide these two. 570. Sorry. So first of all इसको divide करेंगे 320 divided by 10. And you are going to show the complete calculation here. So this is 320 divided by 10. 10 3s are 30. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the next number, that is 0. So 10 2s are 20. 20 minus 20, nothing is left. So the quotient we got after dividing 320 with 10, that is 32. So 320 divided by 10 is 32. लिखिए 570 minus 32. इन दोनों को जब हमने सॉल्व किया, तो when we have solved this we got 32. So that is what we have written here. Okay. So after DMAS, after D, that is the M. M means multiplication. But there is no multiplication here, so we will leave it. Next is A. A means addition. So can you see any addition sign in this? No. Last is S. S means subtraction. So now we will do the subtraction. So 570 minus 32. 570 minus 32. 570 minus 32. Okay, तो करिए इसको सॉल्व. This is 10. This is 6. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. And this is 5. So 570 minus 32. This is 538. 538. So 570 minus 32, 538. So the answer is 538. The answer is 538. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 6.7. So you can pause your videos and note it down in your notebooks. Moving next to the question number 3. So now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 3. The question number 3 is, the question number 3 is 710 into 12 plus 8013 minus 2526. So let's do it. 710 multiply 12 plus 8013 minus 2526. Okay, so let's solve this. Again, simplification, so we have to apply the D mass, obviously. So D mass, the first D, E stands for division. So is there any division? No. So division is not here, so we will move to the next, that is M. M means multiplication. M means multiplication. So multiplication is here, yes. So here we are having multiplication. That means we have to multiply these two numbers. So we have to multiply 710 with 12. 710 multiply by 12. So करिए 710 multiply by 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14. Next 1 zeros are 0, 1 ones are 1, 1 sevens are 7. This is 0, 2, 5, 8. That is 8520. So after multiplying these two, we got 8520. 8520 plus 8013 minus 2526. Okay, तो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया. Now after multiplication, the next is A. A stands for addition. So now we have to add. तो addition का साइन यहाँ पे है, so that means we will add these two. So we will add 8520 with 8013. तो इसी के नीचे 8520 plus 8013. Okay, plus 8013. 0 plus 3, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 5 plus 0, 5, 8 plus 8, 16. The answer is 16,533. So after adding 8,520 and 8,013, we got 16,533. Minus, the last is 22,526. So 16,533 minus 2,526. This is 2,526 minus. This is 13. This is 2. 13 minus 6, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 2, 4, and this is 1. So the answer is 14,001, 4007. So after subtracting it, we got 14,007. 14,007. So this is the answer. Answer is 14,007. 3007. And this is the solution of question number 3 as well. So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so this was from a today's session as well, class. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only. So I'll see you again very soon in the next session. So till then, everybody, have a